Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch the NFL Sunday Ticket without YouTube TV. First, go to the YouTube TV website or app and purchase the NFL Sunday Ticket as a standalone subscription without needing YouTube TV. Now choose a standalone pricing plan, which may cost more than the YouTube TV bundle but offers full access to out-of-market Sunday games. Use your Google account to sign in and stream games through the YouTube app on smart TVs, phones, tablets, or desktops. For local and primetime games not included in the Sunday Ticket, subscribe separately to services like Peacock, Paramount Plus, or use an antenna. Alternatively, subscribe to NFL Plus Premium for replays, condensed games, and red zones, though it does not include a live Sunday afternoon broadcast. If located outside the US, consider using NFL Game Pass International with a VPN to access full live game coverage across devices. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.